This is a Dewsbury to Hope. Needing to get his finger out because we were chased down by a Voyager through Sheffield and Door. Doncaster Belmont to Tinsley. Taking the line through Swinton. '66 111. Class 66 running early from Tinsley. '66 142. Green to Derby RTC. Clapham Junction, Willesden, up North London line, Kentish Town, onto East Coast Main Line at Finsbury, somewhere around Finsbury Park, up to just south of Doncaster, takes the avoider from the south through Exthorpe Sidings, down through Mexborough, Swinton, Sheffield and onto Derby. Hope I got that in order somehow. Tyseley Steam Trust to Bowness, Scotland. Class 43 high-speed train cross-country service from Edinburgh to Plymouth. About 6 minutes between Chesterfield and South Whitfield.
Barrowell LIP to Burton Wetmore Sidings.
The Derby to Derby network rail train. Go up to Chesterfield, stop there, go back down to Derby, then back up through Chesterfield non-stop, up to Barrett Hill, back down to Chesterfield, stop. There's Derby. Edinburgh Plymouth high-speed train cross-country service. Doncaster up decoy to Towton North Yard. Why it didn't go via Alfred, I don't know. Plymouth Edinburgh cross-country high-speed train. Service from Plymouth heading north just before Chesterfield. These services now with the cross-country HSTs haven't got longer at all left.